So friend, this is my computer hardware online Nettech Busca channel, and this is a very important for knowledge for computer and computer hardware series video. So personal computer, you can see just here, this is a mini computer and the super computer, and you can see just here, this is a mainframe computer, embedded computer, and a lot of what is the hardware, what is the software. I have already told you. Okay, so we are discuss today. I am already told you how working computer optical mouse touchpad type working, how and what is the sensor type mouse working, and other types biometric scanner type, and last previous video keyboard technology and types of keyboard and how organize keyboard keys and numeric keys and why keyboard shortcut program give here. So today I am teach you tips for using your keyboard safety and very important for your uh, you are using a keyboard. So let's start this video. So friend, before start my video, I will give one type of message for you. So how you visit my channel? So while this type online Nettech channel and click on search, and you can see this type my logo. Click on it, and this is you can visit my this channel. Okay, everything you want information related computer related advanced computer hardware network software everything playlist I am already created. So click on playlist and you can see if you want any computer hardware related information, computer network courses related information. So click on and visit my playlist, and I'm continuously one by one time to time I'm update my new video and upload video. So you can very good knowledge for increase your knowledge, and very important for information for you are computer beginner. So you can select control panel options and other Microsoft already uncreated videos. So you can see this is the control panel, everything information give in my video. You can see this is a very important for you. Windows operation 7, 8, 9, Windows 10. So friends, this is your operating system you can control using it. This is a very important setting. So operating system related information I'm already created in this my video. So you can see this is a very important for you, and you visit my other playlist. You can see Windows 7 the basic related, what is a Windows 7, what is a Windows 7 inside the settings and information related I'm already created. What is a 64-bit, what is a 32-bit. So I'm already created everything. So click on subscribe button, click on bell icon, because every time I upload new videos, so first notify and first notification message in your mobile computer. So click on subscribe, click on like button, and visit other my playlist. So thank you. So lot of people not understand you are type, you are in give information, you add anything information in your computer by your 3 hours you type working and the typing working 6 hours 8 hours you are work with your computer, and your keyboard safety is very important, because every machine, every computer or any your machine especially separate using a technique. Without technique you cannot completely work with your with your systematic and mechanism systems. Maybe a damage on your eyes, your hand, your body. So basic separate ones, specific give one type of good systems and rules for keyboard safety. So first understand using your keyboard property can help avoid soreness or injury to your wrists, hands and arms, particularly if you use your computer for a long period of time. So keyboard property can help avoid soreness, injury, your wrist, hand and arms, particularly to long period of time you are using computer. So here are some tips for to help avoid to help you avoid program or problem this. So first tips is very important for you. Place your keyboard at elbow level. Your upper arm shoulder be relaxed at your sides. Very important. Elbow level is one type of your body completely level, and sometimes your body very straight level side in your elbow level. Set up your computer, set your keyboard elbow level keyboard relax system your sides. Okay. Second is center your keyboard in front of you. Okay. So center your keyboard in front of you means if your keyboard has a numeric keyboard, you can use the space bar as a central link point. So center keyboard is front of you. Okay. On center side. Okay. Yeah, your screen and uh, screen screen side and your body to front side. Okay. And numeric keyboard right side and use specially to centering point. Okay. Third is point is very important for type with your hands and writes floating above the keyboard. Okay. So type with your hands, writes floating about the keyboard, so that you can use your whole arm to reach for distance your keys instead of stretching your fingers. Okay. So hands and wristing floating about the keyboard, and some your whole arm reach distance keys inside stretching your finger. Okay. So fourth point is very important. Avoid resting your palms and wrist on any type surface while typing. Okay. So resting arms very important because your some people not understand and a lot of typing and saying you're not relaxing your hands. So if your keyboard has a palm raise, use it only during breaks from typing. So it is a break from typing. Okay. So you are take a break 5 minutes to 1 hour after. So avoid resting your hand and very good for life for your you're not pressure on your minds. Okay. So it is a resting and your height while tapping. Use a light touch and keep your wrist straight. Okay. So light touch and keep your wrist straight means completely straight type right and your hands. Okay. So this give help and very smoothly typing and not very press type, not heavy press on your keyboard, your 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 finger. Okay. Sixth point is very important. When you are not typing, relax your arms and hands. So you are not typing, so relax your hands and arms, not nothing but other sides. Okay. Only relax your hands. And seventh is take short breaks from computer. Use every 15 to 20 minutes because this is your hand and palm side, palm and your wrist, your hand. It is a very work on keyboard side. So this is reason is 15 to 20 minutes relax after 1 hour. Okay. So this all of completely keyboard safety related. I'm uh, complete discuss with you and your life related computer life type uh, system. So keyboard safety and keyboard safety with other how you using keyboard technologies and your computer systems. So lot of people not understand directly indirectly some damage arms and fingers. So maybe sometime your eye your sometime you are very not completely watch on your screen. So sometime completely uh, smooth work and not more light inside work because medium type light on in your start on your office and your home. Okay, so it is a very good for eye and watching your computer. So all of finish of keyboard related informations and discuss I'm already completely. So next new third type of part of computer hardware monitor. Okay, so next video I will continue monitor and monitor devices. So monitor types. Okay, so keyboard and mouse, it is a input technology. Okay, and third is a monitor output technology. Keyboard is a why keyboard is input technology. Why keyboard input technology? Because this is send everything your information, everything your systems, it is a uh, input devices. Okay, so everything your information add everything information and in so it is a one type keyboard is input devices. And the third is next time I will continue these monitor technology types. Okay, so thanks for watching my video. Have next time I will continue this topic on video. Okay, so click on subscribe and click on like button and click on bell icon for new notification related my new video. Okay, so thanks for watching my video. Have a nice day. Don't miss my any video either you cannot understand. And second main important information, my every video part wise. Okay, and you can watch other playlist. Okay, so thanks for watching my video. Have a nice day.